Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nail Art. This video talk about nails. Let's study. You are had to change up your nail designs now that a summer is over to a fall nail designs. Summer is a great but cute autumn nail designs are also fun and this season has a lot of event. The designs below cover of a aesthetic of fall thanks those wings and a pumpkin design and if you need Halloween inspiration you can be also read overpost your Halloween nail designs. We'll have some of the best autumn fall nails to make your day better. To get this look, mix a clear top coat with a lighter brown and a mustard yellow colors, then over of the colors of the base. Set the hang and then add some flake 11 of spots and a layer again with the time out a base. Color mix from a before lightly choose a pop of colors to contract with the tourist shell. Pop up to a classic French manicure with a gentle tops within the same color family. Encourage nail enthusiasts and beginners alike to try this timeless. To make it easy for your strength and this keep it tonal over nail cuts from nail icon. Can decided on a color. This is the nail look for you. Each nail is a different color from a rainbow pattern of a monochromatic gradient. It will look to a grade with or not shades. This set from the nails in it makes it easy. The easy keep to eternal collections. Make sorting a ring of colors is non-brainer. French manicure as a pet are not those look that friendly timeless, but strange externally. Well, have a contract used to be a popular modern French manicure trend to be a more stable. Instead of a long nail around it and a short nail look more modern. As for a nail shape, I am saying lot of shorter oval almond and a square shaped instead of very long nails. But it really is a just professional profanely says. Best cost form a protective layers on your skin and prevent your nails from creating decorating any stain. It makes your manicure last long and leave the polish of smoother application. So that the next time you are decided to paint your nails, to do a specific applying a base cost because it is worth it. A top cost give your manicure a shiny, professional finish and help your nails color last longer, preventing the polish that choosing of easily. You can choose from a ring of top cost depending on the look and you are going for. If you want to a metal finish, choose a metal top cost. We have gathering some of the best trend of the season, whether of a falling leaf or bright shades of brilliant shades of colors. Coffin funnels give you a lot of room of our design space. With fell a coffin nail you and really cannot grow overring. Party for nail designs with orange. If you want to much glitter, there is no such thing. Let the spark out with these easy designs. If you are looking for a designs to go and build a short nail, this is a cute, pretty. Fall is for everyone, and these are a grade of short nail lovers. Orange nails are a many colors, styles with a chunky golden glitter. Other finger fine golden sparkly and a spam leaf. Take a home to a golden electrically with a French manicure with whole shiny tips. Choose any other red or orange and paint a French using golden jet foil will easily stick on your fall gel. Loose and shelf best a manicurist reels Japanese says to sell the full in with a fixtures gel and a top cost. Thorough it might appear in creating in this look as surprisingly says to achieve. Using black and white nail polish gently paint a couple of these lines randomly on the nails. Usually use a clear polish to paint on a pop of the white lines before the white polish dries. And if you are get a marble paint like a china glaze looking leathers, $80 for it is a high colors payment which requires just a one cost. To achieve this look, try the marble nail technique using a short colors as your base. Sharpening as a base of colors give you a rose curtain like an echer green will give you a more of argentine look. Blue is a great too. A soft sparkly shades of offer such a pretty and unique mix of a blue and a purple. Let's as I am obsessed with a crystal blue $19 from a Sir Hanson Gold King Pure Collection. Add to offer further invested by applying a different pastel and how to every finger. For chosenness, try to keep them all in the same finish method to a glossy and apply them going for a lightest to the darkest hue.